For the next one. Okay, who is this?
Puzzle.
And what color?
Weapon.
What shape?
Rectangle.
Yep. Okay, what is this?
Daisy.
Daisy. What color?
Red.
What shape?
Daisy.
What shape?
You go with that.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Okay, who is this?
Mickey.
What color?
Red.
What shape?
A circle.
Okay, who is this? Who's this? Who's this?
Minnie.
What color?
Pink.
What color is the square?
Blue.
Good job. Are you smelling the flowers?
Count.
You're smelling the flowers? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, who is... Who's that?
We have this. Daisy has a apple.
Daisy doesn't have flowers? Who's that? And what color?
Daisy has
Green.
green too. Me circle green.
Who's that?
Red. Let's circle. Me.
What color?
Circle green. Let's circle green.
You want a green circle? Okay, let's see if we can find a green circle. Circle. Oh, there's a green circle.
This circle.
An orange circle.
See this
What should we-
orange square.
You want an orange square? Okay, let's see if we can find an orange square.